Alright, stop. This video is a Christmas video, but I wanted to release it early because this was a video I did first, and I wasn't too happy with the way it came out. It's something that I didn't want to do, which is try to make tutorial videos. So I'm going to put it out anyway so that people can see it, and you know, I already did the work on it, but I also wanted to put it out to realize that that's not the kind of video I'm going to keep doing. This is my Christmas sketch for 2018. Every year when I draw a Santa Claus picture, I try to make it somewhat funny and how I perceive Santa. This year was a Saturday Evening Post ripoff of Santa as a ladies' man in 1947. And then clearly he doesn't have pants on, he's wearing long underwear and sailing shoes. And he's got a nice whiskey drink and a cigarette in his hand, which was acceptable for that time period. And this is going to be the whole process from start to finish, from the Procreate to a little bit of Illustrator and Photoshop. Enjoy. In the top window, I'm laying down a base layer of colors, all solid colors, and using Procreate, you can use the color sample in the corner and pull it down to an outline color, and it'll fill the colors in. So everything I do in layers, and I start with the base color, and then add a layer, and do the fades, the highlights. Everything will be on a separate layer. I do the same thing in Photoshop. It's a good habit to get into, to keep from screwing up the entire drawing. Santa's vehicle is based on a 1947 Hudson pickup. The photos that I've seen of the 47 Hudsons, the wheels were so I changed them to spokes. I thought it would be classier looking. The bumper I made up, it's just a custom fit bumper that looks so-so. Hudsons seemed like a kind of a cool pickup, something that Santa would drive. And the colors are because he's Mr. Christmas. When I drew the chrome, I tried to make the chrome look like it would be taken in a cool climate, so I kept it towards the blue side, and it seems to fit. Once my drawing was done, I shut the background off, exported it as a PSD file, and I opened it in Photoshop. on a 12 by 11 background at 720 DPI. The lettering and the heading for Saturday Evening Post I did in Illustrator. This way I can adjust the leg on the R to make it look like the cover for Saturday Evening Post. Some of the kern was off, so I adjusted that. And then the two bars that you see on the cover, top and bottom, I did in Illustrator and then copied and pasted them in Photoshop. The rest of the lettering was all done in Photoshop. This is where I extended the leg on the R. I used the direct select tool in Illustrator, and I selected, I think there were 3 to 4 points on the R all at once. And then I just used the arrows to bring it down and over where I wanted it.